Wallahi, we've tried. We've built thousands of homes. We've given prosthetic limbs to hundreds of them. We've actually tried feeding wherever we could and whenever we could, even though the borders are closed and so on. But we wait and we make sure as soon as it opens, someone's going in. Not just Abdullah Aid. So many charities across the globe doing tremendous work. We know, because you know what? There is hope in the Ummah. People care. Today, if there was a disaster for us, I swear by Allah, people would stand up and come to help us. Without you having known them, without them having known you. You know why? There is still faith and there is still humanity. Wallahi. There are people who don't belong to your faith. Wallahi, they'll stand up for you. I swear. Disaster strikes, you'll be surprised. So my brothers, my sisters, remember something. Allah is great. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never leave you to suffer and struggle beyond the point. He knows. He says in the Quran, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah, there are many meanings of this particular verse, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not burden someone more than they can manage. Allah tests you, and Allah tests you with that which He knows that you can do. Allah will not make compulsory on you, or will not ask you to do something He knows you can't do. And this is why when it comes to prayer, for example, you stand and pray. If you can't, what happens? You sit and pray. If you can't, what happens? You lie down and pray. But pray. One example.